Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Monkey Wrench. I'm Kelly, the monkey with the wrench. Today we're going to be changing the blade on a stick edger. I have a customer that brought me a machine this morning, and the machine's not that old and he's never changed the blade. He's barely used it, and he decided to put a new blade on it, and he had no idea how to do it. I've been asked this question before, so I figured, hey, let's make a quick video. It's real simple to do. Basically, Stihl makes it so that you need a special tool just to change your blade. Now they actually give you that tool. There's a nut right here, and a regular socket will not fit in the gap between the nut and the protector for the nut, which again is just a design by certain companies to have to charge you more money. This is a spark plug changer. It comes with half a dozen different styles of lawnmowers. It is the same thing that Stihl sells you or gives you to change your blade. It's a very thin wall, that's the point. Basically, you need that and something to stick in this hole right here. As you rotate, you see that, this right here? As you rotate that, you'll find a hole, and you need something to stick in there. Now, Stihl gives you a rod that everybody loses right away. So anything that'll go in there, a nail, in this case, this is a hook that hangs on my pegboard in my shop. Anything to stick it in that hole. And then it's opposite of what you think it'll be to take a nut off. It's a reverse thread. So you would normally go lefty loosey, righty tighty. In this case, to take it off, you go to the right, or clockwise to take it off. When you're holding that in place, you just loosen that. Now, I broke it free before I started the video, so it would be easier. Then you just have a nut. You have your protector and your keeper. That comes off. Your blade comes off. You put a new blade on it. And you put it back. And like I said, it's reverse. So it'll be the opposite of what you think it is. So to put it back on will be counterclockwise, the opposite. And then just put it back on. The reason it's opposite is because as this spins, it'll actually spin the nut against itself. So it won't just come off on you and you have a blade go flying. And that's it. That's all you got to do. So I hope that helps somebody else out there that didn't realize that with Stihl, you need a special tool. If you don't have this wrench, you can order it online. It's just a T-style spark plug wrench. They come with chainsaws. They come with certain lawnmowers. I believe it's 5/8. And that's it. Thanks for stopping by. Hit the thumbs up for me if you have a chance. It's right down there below you. Give me a subscription. If you haven't, hit the subscribe button. It helps. We're almost at 1,000. I appreciate it. Thanks for coming. See you soon.